Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see. Pisces, sa inyong love life for 2025. What are the energies? So, kuha tayo ng cards for you. You have the Two of Swords and the Moon. Nako. Maaring you will experience dramatic relationships or can be a decision making that you need to do. Kasi meron ka na ngayong mental clarity, oh. I think meron kang ipinagpapaliban na decision sa connection mo. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, you are currently in a relationship pero meron kang gustong gawin, pagdesisyonan sa connection na to na finally, you know what to do now. Alam mo na. Let's see what else. Soon. If I ever put off my mask, will you accept another real me? Oh my God! Revelation. So, pwede kasing ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with, merong marireveal sa kanya. Okay? Yung totoong siya, yung totoong sitwasyon na meron siya. Or maaring ikaw to, yung totoong sitwasyon na meron ka na hindi mo pa sinasabi sa partner mo. And this will be revealed soon. I think, pag-uusapan nyo yan. Siguro ito yung pinagdidesisyonan mo kung sasabihin mo na. Kasi pwedeng meron kang secret or may mga bagay na hindi ka pa pinaalam sa person mo, sa partner mo. Pwede ring vice versa, yung person mo may mga bagay na hindi pa pinaalam sa'yo. So, ngayon, nagde-decide siya. The universe brought us together for a reason. I am discovering what these reasons are. Just like you, I'm always doing some form of mission. My energy and wisdom supports those around me. It's like getting to know the person, someone. Diba? Ay, someone. It's getting to know the person deeply. So, ngayong 2025, meron kang makikilala. When I say makikilala, pwedeng bago to, bagong person, or kilala mo na, but when I say makikilala, malalaman mo yung totoong siya. Yung totoong nangyari sa kanya, yung totoong sitwasyon niya. Okay? Maaring kailangan kanya for this particular chapter ng buhay niya. Maaring kailangan nyo yung isa't isa for this particular chapter in your lives. Okay? Kaya kayo ay pinagsama together. You were brought together for a reason. It's like mayroon kayong mission. Mission dito sa lupa. Ayan, divine feminine energy and star. So, I think I'm sensing a power couple relationship na it doesn't have to be na tipong kailangan celebrity kayo. Pag sinabing power couple, pareho kayong merong malalakas na personality na yung tipong meron kayong leadership qualities na pareho nyo kayang i-handle yung relationship na to. And people are looking up to you. Kumbaga parang they admire your relationship. Yung tipong, halimbawa kahit pinsan mo, kapatid mo na ina-admire yung relationship ninyo ng person mo or your friends because pareho kayong strong, Pareho kayong may strong personality. Consider your foundation. Ooh, true love. Wow, Pisces. Some of you maaring magsisettle with someone, with your person, na yung parang titingnan nyo na yung future. May mga plans na kayo for your future. Maaring this person ay, itong mask na sinasabi rito na revelation, maaring siya, meron na siyang plano for you, for the relationship na hindi mo alam, and yun yung i-reveal soon sa'yo. Kasi with the star, it seems like meron ditong wish para sa relationship mo, ninyo, na matutupad. And with the divine feminine here, it's like, yung iba sa inyo, you are a feminine energy. Okay? You have this feminine energy na very nurturing, very caring, very intuitive. And I think, mararamdaman mo agad yan eh, na, uy, this person, parang meron na siyang, gustong gawin for the relationship and take it to the next level. Codependency. Soulmate. Oh, wow. Alam niyo tong codependency energy, it's like, you are dependent to the person and that person is also dependent sa'yo. So, parang kumbaga binabalance nyo yung isa't isa. Pwede ring somehow you are addicted to each other. When I say addicted, parang may obsession sa isa't isa. Like, sobra kayong in love sa isa't isa. Because this is a soulmate connection. This is a soulmate relationship. The moment na tinanggap mo yung totoo about your person, or the moment na tinanggap niya yung totoo sa'yo, dun mo na masasabi sa sarili mo na, wow, this person is willing to accept me. This person is the person that is destined to be me, to be with you. Diba? So, that's what I'm seeing. Kayo ay intended for greater, para I'm seeing here a twin flame connection, no, for some of you. Kasi ang twin flame is, may mga twin flame connection na hindi sa tamang oras kayo nagkita or nag-meet. Meron namang nasa tamang oras. And yung nasa tamang oras, yun yung meron kayong mission na ma-fulfill dito sa mundo. Okay. So, meron ditong Jupiter in Aquarius. Jupiter in Aquarius, wow. You have a lot of things to do together ngayong 2025. Yung iba sa inyo, para kayong, yung mag-partner na meron kayong ili-lead na community, ili-lead na company together for a certain cause. May mga pinaglalaban kayo. You have, this is Gabo, which is happiness. This is generosity, opportunity, and blessing. So, yung tandem ninyo together is going to bring blessing sa isa't isa. Meron ditong now this. Now this is like a limitation. And I think you are going to free from the limitations na dati meron yung relationship ninyo eh. Like example, hindi nyo magawa yung mga bagay na gusto nyo dahil may kanya-kanya kayong work or kanya-kanya kayong responsibilities na hindi nyo pa maiwan. So ngayong 2025, you are freeing from that, no? Nakakalaya ka na sa ganyang sitwasyon. And now, kaya nyo na together, to be together and focus on your future plans together. Kumbaga sa ngayon, itong 2025, ang importante is yung totoo, yung pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa, yung plano nyo for each other, yung mission nyo dito sa mundo. Yun yung mas importante. And I think that's where you're going to focus on improving yourself as a couple and yung kung paano nyo mas mapapaunlad pa yung buhay nyo together. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. I wish you all the best for 2025. Good luck. Thank you so much and see you again.